What's good, YouTube? Kai Trades back with another recap. Um, Today is obviously Monday. No real bias, but previous week we did have a good expansion candle, so was expecting at least some decent bearish momentum to come out, take this daily low. We also did have both session lows to take out. So Asia session low was somewhere around here, and then London's here. Uh, So on open, just check out the higher time frame, see what we're working with. We had a 4 hour gap here. Pretty sure 1 hour gap here. 30 minute. I don't know why it tweaks like that, but 15, 30, there was just bearish gaps everywhere. So if you were looking to go short off the rip, you could have low key got in here, but you would have had to have a way wider stop. Or you could have had a position entry just for the close here. It's quite risky though, so I wouldn't do that. We had an hourly gap here. That's what I was waiting to see, either get inverse or have a reaction to go back up. So that's when I zoomed in on the 1 minute. We did have our tapped into the gap, had a retracement into this 1 minute gap, closed through. I was really considering getting in right here, take it down to the daily low. But I did hesitate. I don't know why. Like, bro, I'm literally mind blocked on taking shorts. Everything aligned though. We just had this hourly gap. That was pretty much it. So it was an hourly gap, and then just me being mind blocked, kind of taking shorts, unfortunately. But this would have been it. Or even here, after we recessed the 1 minute order block, tapped into another gap, closed out of it. It could have been this as well. There were just a lot of great shorts on the 1 minute today. If you were looking at the 5, there wasn't really anything. Kind of just dumped. I think the only 5 minute entry we had was here. Yeah, it would have been right here. Ideally, yourself would have been here, but equilibrium is fine too. Target 2-3 RR or that daily low. So the target. So I let that go by. I didn't take any shorts in here. I was still just very hesitant. I don't know why. For some reason. So we took our daily low. Now I'm looking for at least some sort of reaction off of this to go long to retrace back into our 1 hour order block, which was here. And it was getting pretty late in the day. Well, not late, but 10-ish, near 11-ish. Volume kind of starts to slow down a little bit most of the time. And it's Monday, no news. So I was thinking if we were to retrace, we would come up back into this order block. Not really aiming for anything higher than that. So I did have my potential entry. We formed our breaker, had our inversion, reset the gap. So I got in here. I got in here. Target was that order block. Wait, hold on. Why does? Okay, sorry, wrong one. I got in here. Like, what? We reset this gap. We inverse this gap. This was inversion on the 5 minute, 3 minute as well. And we well, then we had SMC here, but that was afterwards. This would have been a nice little 1 2 3. I did end up getting stopped out here though, unfortunately, before they move up. I did like longs here. We had a good reaction off of higher time frame key level, took out all the session lows, took out the daily low. I wasn't looking for any crazy retracement, like I said. Just tap back into the order block, and then whatever happens after that is whatever happens. Yeah, down on the day, unfortunate. Note to self: don't hesitate. But I did follow my plan today, so I'll take it as a W, even though it is an L on the P&L. I'll catch y'all maybe tomorrow. Peace.